Babe. Babe, is this my...
What's up, Christina?
Okay, so first off, welcome back to Cyrus and Christina. We do crazy videos, crazy pranks. As you know, Cyrus has thrown my phone off the building. Cyrus has pranked me with my ex-boyfriend. Cyrus has done crazy pranks on me. He's slimed me way back when. Today's my revenge prank. But before I let you guys know what my revenge prank is, we gotta go get his phone. So he's in the shower right now. We have to do this as quick as possible. So I'm gonna go get his phone and then we'll start business.
Okay, cool.
Let's go. Romeo, shh. Romeo, shh. Okay. So we're still moving in our new house. Many of you guys have asked about our house, so we'll let you guys know in the next video. We haven't settled in yet, but oh, his phone. He's in the shower. He's in the shower. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
So, Christina, what are you gonna be doing with Cyrus's phone today?
Okay, so look at my setup. So I have some cut fries already. I have the egg, salad. Today Cyrus's cheat day, so he's allowed to eat pretty much whatever he wants. So he thinks I'm gonna be cooking him a cheat meal, but I'm gonna be deep frying his cell phone.
Oh,
so I got a cell phone right here, and let's just start. Okay, this is gonna be good. How many eggs do I need for a phone to deep fry? Have you ever done that before?
I've never done that in my life.
4, 5?
Well, eggs cook pretty fast, so
I'm just gonna use this as like a sticky. Maybe 5. Okay. Romeo, are you ready for this? Yeah, Romeo? No, this is not food. I'm sorry, not today. This. Okay, flour.
Where's the flour?
Flour.
Got it?
Yeah.
Probably hurry before he gets downstairs.
Okay, I'm gonna put his phone here for now.
Whoa, that's a lot of flour.
This is gonna be good. So I'm gonna fry some potatoes at the same time. So I'm gonna like put some fries, some salad that I already made with his fried cell phone.
Uh-oh. That is a lot of dough.
Right? This is good. And now we just need breadcrumbs. Everything's right here. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna put the breadcrumbs to add a bit of a crisp. That's perfect. Maybe a bit more, honestly. Oh my god, this is the craziest thing I've ever done, honestly. So now. Oh, I gotta whisk the eggs. Okay. This is my favorite thing, honestly. Okay, come on.
You should probably hurry, Christina, before he comes down.
I'm trying. Okay, eggs almost done. We're just gonna do it quick. We're not doing a perfect job. We're frying a cell phone. You know, it's my specialty over here. Should we start?
Is this a cell phone pasta?
I guess so. He really thinks I'm making him like a nice cheat meal that he can enjoy, but no. I'm giving him a salad with a cell phone.
Yeah.
So, here it is. I can't believe this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does it even turn on? Look, it's a picture of us proposing. Okay, ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
That's definitely not gonna work after this.
What if it does? That'd be insane, right? Okay, this is so disgusting. Honestly. Oh my gosh. There's no way I'm deep frying a phone. I never thought in my life I'd be deep frying a cell phone. I'm gonna put more flour. Oh my gosh.
What if you put it on his plate with his food and see if he notices?
I will. That's exactly what I'm doing. It's his cheat meal, huh?
Uh-oh.
All right, after this, I'm gonna add. Okay, come on, stick egg, come on. After this, I'm gonna add breadcrumbs, and we good to go.
Why is this making me hungry right now?
This is making you hungry. I don't know what to tell you. Ew! This looks like throw up. This is not frying properly, honestly. Okay, this is so disgusting. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna put it with the potatoes. Wait, let me just add some more breadcrumbs. I mean, it's fine, right?
I'm curious how this is gonna look when it's done.
Crap. Alec, you wanna help me?
Yeah, what do you mean?
Gonna lift that up? Thanks.
Oh, it's kind of hot. Be careful.
Okay, I'm gonna add it potatoes. Oh, okay, that's enough. All right. Oh my God, guys, look!
Uh-oh.
It's happening! Oh my God.
Whoa.
It is safe, guys, because I've watched a lot of videos, and because the phone dies, it's safe, but still don't try this at home. Look, that's the phone, you see it?
Wow.
Okay.
Looks like a hash brown.
Let's close it and let the phone cook. I should clean this up, right? I'm gonna put my bracelet back on. Oh, okay. I'm gonna prepare a plate. What the heck? Okay, you know what? Screw it. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna do it. Clean. I'm gonna start making. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move this, right? Okay, let me clear it up. Okay. Ew. Ew. I know there was a cell phone in there. That's why it's so gross.
Is there anything else we need?
I'm just gonna. Yeah? No, it's almost ready. I'm still cooking it.
Hungry.
It's smelling good though. All right, just be patient. I'm almost done. Let's set up the hidden camera.
Okay.
Where should we put it? What about literally right here?
Really?
Right where the action is. I'm gonna, cause he's gonna be eating here. We don't have our dinner table yet. So he's gonna be eating here. We should set it up here, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. Let's put this back.
All right, Christina, everything's ready?
Yep.
All right, where should I go?
Food is ready. Okay, just go maybe right there. I'm gonna prepare this plate now. Okay. I'm gonna prepare this plate quick. This is salad with pineapple and strawberries. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna use this. So rice.
That looks like a chicken phone.
Oh my gosh. This is heavy.
Whoa.
What?
That actually looks pretty good.
Oh my gosh. Let me just
Who knows?
add all of it. Oh my gosh. Okay. How does this look?
Not bad at all, honestly.
Here you go, babe.
I would actually eat it.
Wait, my nose. Get like a nice knife. Oh my God, Alex. Here.
Whoa, hopefully he doesn't take a bite in that. Do you think he will?
I mean, I don't know. It looks pretty good, honestly.
It does. I think he's coming.
Put the salt here just in case you want it.
He's coming. I'm gonna hide, okay?
Okay, go.
Dang, baby, that looks good.
Yeah? I hope you like it.
I love you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Man, I'm starving.
Eat.
Let me see my phone, babe.
Was it charging upstairs?
No, I thought it was charging here. It was like plugged to this charger, I thought, right here.
I don't think so. I don't know. I didn't see it.
Really?
Maybe it's charging upstairs. Did you see it upstairs?
No, I didn't see it.
Okay. You'll
What'd you
find
make?
it.
What is that? Is that like fried fish?
Yes.
Dude, I've been waiting for this like...
It's fried fish with some
Oh my
fries.
God, I've been waiting
And
for
salad
this.
with pineapple and
My
strawberries.
cheat day today. You know exactly what to make me.
Babe.
Thank you.
Don't.
Oh, sorry, I know it's a wet towel. Dang. Fries?
Babe, sit down. Huh? You like it? You have salt there if you want.
Thanks.
And your
I'm good. It's all day today. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Salad? What about you? Did you make one for yourself?
I already ate.
You?
Yeah. I had some chicken and salad
Oh,
and fries before.
What's this? You said this is fish?
Yeah.
Man, it's kind of hard. It's not cutting, babe.
Enjoy. Huh?
It's not cutting.
Did I ever cook it?
I don't know, is it burnt?
No, it doesn't
No,
look
it doesn't.
bad.
Yeah, it doesn't look burnt. It's black.
It's just the fish.
Maybe it's black under here. What kind of fish is this?
I don't know. You don't
Cod
like
or
it?
something? This is like it's black. It's not. How is it burnt in the middle right now?
I don't know. I thought you might like it.
It's weird.
I don't know.
I mean, it looks really good though. It's not cutting though. What the heck? What the heck?
Wait, why don't you enjoy my food?
What is that? Hey, what is that?
What?
is that?
It's a fish.
Wait, that's not a fish?
Yeah, it is.
Is that plastic?
No, it's a fish.
Wait, what the?
It's fish. Babe, why are you being so picky with when I cook for you?
Babe, that looks like my phone case.
What? That's impossible.
Babe. Babe, is this my phone? Is this my phone? Babe, seriously, what is this? This is not my phone, right?
No.
Then where's my phone? Babe, are you serious? Baby, oh my gosh, this is my phone? No, it's not.
It's your cheek.
No, no. Where's my phone? Actually, where's my phone? You know where my phone is?
Yeah.
It's not my phone.
Put it down. Let me show you where your phone is. Let me show
Baby.
you where your phone is. Here it is.
Babe, that's my phone. That's a phone case.
Ah.
Alex, what the heck? Babe, all of our photos are on here. Do you get that? Like all of our business and my business stuff.
Take
like
a bite.
It's
I can't take a bite out of that.
Looks good.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my gosh. What the heck?
Looks pretty delicious to me.
We're just like,
Don't even tell me that camera's on too.
Yeah, it's on. It wasn't just
Oh
stuff.
my gosh, are you
I
serious?
turned it on before.
Oh my god, it's recording. Bro, I was not expecting this, babe. You made my phone for my cheat day?
Yeah, so now
Yo,
you
I
can
actually bit some of these fries. Like these aren't like wires in these fries or something, right? Like some crazy
No,
like
these
that?
are real
These are real
fries.
fries?
I don't know.
Yeah, but I fried them with the phone. So I don't know if you want to eat that.
It tastes pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, they're not these bad, but I did fry them
Babe,
with
I
the
need a
phone.
new phone now. How am I gonna post? How am I gonna post about
You
this
threw
video?
my phone off a building and you ran over my laptop.
I'm gonna have to
So
get a
I
new
fried your phone and you bring my ex-boyfriend all the time.
I'm gonna have to get a new phone, guys.
Whoa. That's worse than I thought.
Oh my gosh. This is literally a fried iPhone.
It's crazy.
You crazy? What
I put breadcrumbs
Dude, that's genius. And I'm not gonna lie, that's genius, but dang, babe, like, I need that. I need that.
Cyrus, so you're not mad?
I mean, how can I be mad? Like, this is a good prank, but like, and I can get a new phone, but like, I'm shocked, honestly. Like, I don't know what to think. Like, is that really my phone? No. Are you sure? I'm gonna go check upstairs. I don't think that's my phone. There's no way.
Guys, it's adorable. He's in denial. That's what it is. He's in denial.
At least he wasn't upset, right?
I guess not. He's probably like, I need to
Bro,
spit.
that is my phone.
It is your phone. Don't lick your fingers. You touched a fried phone.
You just find my iPhone.
Here, right
Are you
there.
serious? I still love you though. You're crazy. That's why I married her, cause like she's like my
Dang, that's so weird.
she's straight up my other half, man. She knows how to get me back. You know what I'm saying? So like,
Everyone wanted me to get you back. This looks so weird, right?
oh my gosh, what the? Does it still work?
No.
Maybe it does, honestly.
I don't know.
Put it on the charger.
Let's find out. All right, if this thing still works, like, I'm speechless.
I highly doubt that. It's like, it looks scaly.
Yeah, this doesn't work.
Nah.
It doesn't work, guys. Alright, I'm speechless. Alright, at least a salad. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's alright, I guess I'll have my cheat day tomorrow. Maybe we can get some donuts tonight or ice cream, I don't know.
Donuts.
Let's do it.
No way.
Cyrus, that wasn't salad.
Stop playing with me, man. Alright, I don't even know what to say. Like, this is a video, I guess? Like,
Yes, this is our Monday video.
oh my gosh. Alright.
Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more of these videos, all you gotta do is like and subscribe, and see you guys in 6 days.
You just keep impressing me, honestly. I love you.
I got
Come
you.
here.
I got you.
Alright, got you next.
Thank you guys for watching. We love you. See you soon.